6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Ang mga chapter and verse na ito ay patungkol sa mga pagpapakumbaba ng tao, pagmamahal, at pagmamahal sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Kayo po ay inaanyahan kong basahin ninyo ang mga verse na ito at ang aking ipaplag po. Salamat.
Live in harmony with one another. Do not be proud, but willing to associate with people of low position. Do not be conceited. Romans 12:16. Your beauty shall not come from outward adornment, such as elaborate hairstyles and the wearing of gold, jewelry, or fine clothes. Rather, it should be that of your inner self, that unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, with its of great worth in God's sight. 1 Peter 3, verse 3-4. Humble yourselves before the Lord, and He will lift you up. James 4:10. Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourself with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Colossians 3, verse 12. Pride brings a person low, but the lowly in spirit gain honor. Proverbs 29, verse 23. Humility is the fear of the Lord. Its wages are riches and honor in life. Proverbs 22, verse 4. Wisdom's instruction is to fear the Lord, and humility comes before honor. Proverbs 15, verse 33. You, brothers and sisters, were called to be free, but do not use your freedom to indulge the flesh, rather serve one another humbly in love. Galatians 5, verse 13. Good and upright is the Lord. Therefore, He instructs sinners in His ways. He guides the humble in what is right and teaches them His way. Psalms 25, verse 8 and 9.